is Winnie from MINGDA 3D.
Hello, this is Christine from MINGDA 3D.
We are the product consultant of MINGDA 3D.
MINGDA 3D is a manufacturer specializing in 3D printing products. It has over 13 years experience in research and development 3D printing products. Now, recently, we have released a new product with IDEX extruder named MD-400D.
Yes, MD-400D is a high-performance industrial-grade independent double extruder. It not only have the printing size of 400 by 400 by 400 millimeters, the specification and the parameters both are very excellent.
Okay, let's go!
This is our MD-400D 3D printer. There are 10 units being tested and printed, and after strict testing, all of them will be shipped.
But I feel so sorry to inform you that these 10 units have been booked. If you wanted to have one, you had better supposed to book in advance because the independent double extruder are very popular and in large amount. Okay, let's see the structure and appearance of MD-400D. Firstly, you can say that the MD-400D are equipped with fully enclosed metal structure. It is very stable, and the MD-400D weighs about 110 grams. The size and the weight are very moderate. It will not occupy a very large space. You can put it on the desk or on the ground, which is very convenient.
Yes, look at the blue logo and the cool shade. It's simply the fusion of technology and art.
Okay, let's see the connection type here. The MD-400D support Type-C, SD card, USB multiply connection ways.
Equipped with a 5.1-inch large screen, the menu page is very simple, including the preheating function, auto-leveling function, and multi-language setting, and so on.
Christy, as you know, our MD-400D have the auto-leveling function. Could you show how it works?
Yes, sure.
Just click the leveling button. Okay, let's see the extruder of MD-400D. The MD-400D equipped with independent dual extruder. It supports 3 printing modes, including the mirror mode, duplication mode, and flip mode. You can use it to print 2-color model as well as the model with water-soluble support, which is very easy to remove the support.
X, Y, and Z axes adopt full linear guide rails. High precision and accuracy is 0.1 mm.
At the same time, it is equipped with PI platform, which is very easy to remove the models.
Now, here are some printed models by our MD-400D with our engineering filament. And this is a model printed by our SMLT support material and HTPA high temperature nylon filament. It's very easy to remove the support. Okay, that's all for today. Next, we will have more new products. Let's look forward to more. Yes, remember that we are a professional manufacturer of 3D printers with over 13 years experience. Welcome to visit us.